Your outside world matches your inner world. There is a clear mirror effect between your normal thoughts, main assumptions, and your real life. This mirroring happens because your subconscious mind takes whatever your conscious thoughts believe is total truth. The subconscious then faithfully reflects those beliefs in your life conditions. Your subconscious is like a fertile garden, growing whatever seeds are planted there without judgment. It doesn't question or argue with conscious thoughts. It just accepts them as plans for matching real conditions. So your common thoughts and main assumptions become self-fulfilling prophecies. Your mental patterns shape your subconscious beliefs, which then project themselves into your life conditions. In this way, your outer life mirrors your inner thoughts, whether those patterns are helpful or harmful. This shows why managing your self-talk is key to handling your life conditions and experiences. Your current personal reality mirrors your existing subconscious beliefs back to you. So to change any part of your outside world, you must first shift the related inner assumptions and patterns. Keeping it up and just trying to control things by effort alone is useless. The outer mirrors the inner, reach the source within to change the cause, and the outer effects will naturally change. To help this change, you should subscribe to us for daily content. As above, so below, impressions reveal expressions. Heaven is in you. Your personal mind world is key, and the outside experiences mirror your subconscious conditioning. This is the secret behind all causality and the conscious and subconscious mind's manifestation. The conscious mind is the gatekeeper, choosing what thoughts, ideas, and beliefs make it to the receptive subconscious garden. One job of your conscious mind is guarding your subconscious from false or limiting impressions. You must watch what you let take root in your inner world. The subconscious accepts any conscious belief or assumption as total truth instantly, working to reflect it in your reality. There's no debate between the two minds. The subconscious trusts the conscious thoughts. There's a constant interplay between your conscious and subconscious minds. A thought, want, or picture held firmly in your awareness repeatedly makes an impression on your subconscious until it becomes an accepted belief. Your subconscious then makes that belief real in your outside world. So stating goals as complete, praying a lot for wanted outcomes, or picturing ideal situations all help reprogram your subconscious assumptions and beliefs around that thing. This shows why clarity and repetition matter. Regularly picturing, stating, and feeling your wanted goal or condition ensures enough subconscious impressions for it to become your reality. Half-hearted or weak efforts fail to adequately overwrite old subconscious programs and beliefs. Just planting seeds consciously is not enough. They must be continually nurtured until firmly rooted in the subconscious garden. Mentally rehearse and feel your desire as already complete. This allows it to become a set subconscious program steering your reality. Become an alert gatekeeper of your mind, refusing negative impressions. Weed out destructive thought patterns before they take root, and actively nourish empowering assumptions you want to grow. Leave a comment below to tell us how you'll weed out your destructive thought patterns, track your habitual self-talk, catch any defeating comments like "this never works out," which sabotages your conscious intentions. Such thoughts interfere with positive efforts by negating the subconscious activities you want to start. Regular meditation on your goal or desired state impresses it ever deeper until it becomes your automatic reality. With clarity comes manifestation. By filling your mind with the forms you want mirrored in life, you reshape your world. Your subconscious is endlessly creative but also neutral. It works by universal mental laws, not personal choice. Your subconscious can't selectively pick which of your conscious beliefs to make real over others. Like a mirror, it reflects all impressions equally. This gives you huge creative power as your conscious thoughts seed and program your subconscious garden. But with such power comes responsibility. You must intentionally steer your thoughts, assumptions, and visions. Random impressions bear equally real fruit once rooted in your subconscious soil. Your mind is a powerful creative tool. Use it carefully, gently guide your imagination to sculpt a blessed outer life. Engage in uplifting visions, noble thoughts, and selfless action. Accept responsibility for the seeds your garden grows. Don't let negative thoughts rampage uncontrolled, and be cautious about blindly accepting limiting inputs from confused others. The outside world mirrors your state of mind back. Its reflections show you where you need to grow. Outer change requires inner shifting first. Each outer reform hits its limits until the inner cause moves. All beautiful visions become real when your inner and outer mirrors unite. Everything to master your life exists within you, so master your thoughts, assumptions, and expectations, the seeds growing into your reality. The cosmos endlessly reflects your state of mind to you, so tend your mental garden, pulling out anger, fear, and lack weeds. Plant seeds of love, joy, and abundance, then watch your world bloom with delight. Comment below if you'll start tending to your mental garden. As inside, so outside, the outer shows the inner. Know this truth and use your creative power helpfully. Keep your inner mirror clear, then see your highest visions made real. First nurture wisdom, love, acceptance, and trust within, then watch them unfold externally.